In supply chain operations, disruptions can start anywhere. A missed part, a system delay, a sudden shortage. And when you can't see across sourcing, production, and delivery, small problems become big ones, fast. Disconnected systems and siloed data make it harder to stay ahead. And quality? It's hard to guarantee if you can't trace the origin of every component or validate every production step. That's why visibility isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Enter Splunk. Splunk unifies your entire supply chain data, raw materials to final shipment, so you can spot issues before they become breakdowns. It gives you real-time insight into supplier performance, production flow, logistics, and inventory health. Quality checks? Verified. Traceability? From batch to box. And with machine learning and AI, you don't just react, you predict, you optimize, you act. Think fewer outages, faster decisions, and more resilient operations at every link in the chain. Unified data, smarter insights, real-time control. Build supply chain resilience with Splunk.